Me and Rebecca, we can have a burping contest.
Look how much there is.
With the rest of the
We drink it all.
Because we drank the rest, you know. We're kind of fat. We ate pizza.
And cake.
And cake, and cake, and pizza.
And
pizza.
chips, and dip.
And chips, and dip.
And,
I don't remember. but we drank
caramel.
You ate caramel. But yeah, we ate a lot of stuff. And we're kind of fat. So yeah.
Really?
Okay, it's my
It kind of takes a while, though.
Yeah, you might have to be patient. But this is going to be a contest, and you can tell us who won, okay?
So you can see those guys on YouTube. She's like, I saw you kids on YouTube. Oh, you kids were burping. Save that for the YouTube. I'm gonna get lip gloss all over.
Oh well. Don't laugh. Rebecca. I'm serious. What's your problem? You can't even drink Coke. Swallow it. You can't even drink without laughing.
That was weak.
Yeah.
Save some for me.
Oh, I think you get another drink. Here, let me pour it.
That was loud.
It's because I was trying to gulp in a lot of air. That was a good one. That was good. Who's that? It'll say. It'll say. Just answer. Somebody already answered it.
I feel like I'm drinking alcohol.
It reminds me of this one time when I was at Alyssa's house, and like we were taking shots, but I didn't want to, because I was trying to be responsible, and like not take any shots, and then I ended up doing it, and then like
alcohol tastes disgusting.
And I was sitting down, and I didn't really realize like that it was like even just a little bit drunk, and then I got up and I couldn't really walk. And it was so funny.
She's a drunk monkey on Dr. Phil. With the bag. And he'd walk in a straight line. He couldn't walk in a straight line.
Yeah, but then like I didn't realize that it was like I didn't even realize I was like, okay, I'm not really drunk. Then I got up and I tried to walk. I couldn't really walk. It was funny.
Cassid, you got drunk. Ew, look how dirty my
Look how dirty my hands are.
Like, I feel it.
That was a good one. You got 2 so far. 3.
Oh no.
4. 5. That one didn't count. 6.
I can't belch. I can't belch.
That was a good one.
Darn it. I can usually belch, like in math. Mosquito gets all pissed.
That was a good one.
Like I feel it, but it won't come out.
Yeah,
I think I just have to wait.
Want me to hit your stomach?
Sure. Ah! Hit it again. Hit it again. It didn't work.
Here, hit mine.
Like I feel it. I won't, I promise.
Don't hit it. It made my tummy jiggle, like the insides.
I feel it. Ah! Shit. It's gonna suck because I'm gonna get it and then we're not gonna move on. You'll be like, how come you didn't date it?
Okay, it's coming, Ryan, it's coming. I think.
Get out of me, you son of a So like, get out!
Get in my belly! Have you ever seen the movie? Like
Get in. Oh wait, did you hear that? It was like a pop.
It was probably a bubble in your stomach popping.
No, that's weird. Get in my belly. Anybody want some chicken? I want some chicken. Can I have some chicken?
You're gay.
No.
wish there was more.
You should say you should be like, I like. Say it. Just say it. He's probably never gonna see it.
No, but what if other people that do know him see it?
Just say it really close. Just say it like if I were you, I'm gonna say his name, okay? But this is Catherine. You should be like, I like Brian. Boom.
I bet they could tell what you said.
You're retarded.
I thought you were gonna
I
say
can
the
say
other
it.
person's name.
I like Jordan.
You sound like Dory. Okay, guys. Well,
I love Gabe.
Well, I guess nobody's burping really.
Wait. 5. Did you hear the air?
Yeah.
I don't want my mom to come. Okay, ready? Let's watch.